Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, what we are discussed previous class, what are the principles? So, what is personal account, real account, nominal account, and how to identify the account types and which account is debited, which account is credited. Okay, so we are yesterday how to apply these accounting three principles. Okay, today we are discussing about the journal. Okay, the first step in a accounting. Okay, see here, what is journal? First of all, journal is a daily book. Okay, the journal means it is a daily book. It is a book in which business transactions are recorded in chronological order as and when they are occur. Okay, so journal is a daily book. It is a record the what we are recording business transactions are recording in this journal in which order? Chronological order when they are occurred. Okay, and the journal we are called what? The journal is a book of original or primary book. Okay, the journal we are called, it is a book of original or primary book. It means the business transactions first time recorded into a journal. That's why we are called book of original, or it is a primary book. It means the business transactions are first time recorded into journal before records into the other accounting books. Okay, we are record the first time in business transactions into where? Journal. Okay, and when we are record the transactions into a journal, this recording process what we are called journalizing. What we are called journalizing. Clearly observe. First of all, journal, it is a daily record. What? Daily record. Daily record. And it is a book. Okay, which book? It is a daily record book. And what we are called in this book, the business transactions are recorded in which order? Chronological order. Chronological order means what? Date wise we are record the business transactions into a journal. And what is the names of this journal? Book of original or primary book. Why should we call the primary book? The business transactions are first time recorded into where? Journal before entries are made in other books of accounts. Okay, and see here the process of entries passed in journal, the process of recording the business transactions into journal, what we are calling, see here, journalizing. So what is the process of business transactions are recording into journal? We are called journalizing. See here, and it is a daily record. And what we are called? Book of original are called what? It is a primary book. Primary book. So, what is the meaning of book of original or primary book? First time business transactions are recorded into a journal. This recording process, what we are called? Journalizing. Okay, clearly understand? And how to record into the journal? As a chronological order, date wise, we are record the business transactions into a journal. See, remember what? The journal is a daily record. It is a book in which the business transactions are recorded into chronological order, and it means the journal is called as a book of original or primary book. Why? The it means primary book means the business transactions are first time recorded into journal before record into the other books of accounts. Okay, and we have a one format for the journal. Okay, how to record the transactions into a journal? Let us see here. First of all, we have to see the what is the format of journal. Okay, it is the first step in a accounting cycle. What? Journal. See here the journal format. Total the journal have 5 columns. The first column is date column. Okay, and the next one is particulars. So, which account is debiting, which account is crediting, and what is the reason for the debit and credit of that one? We are explaining a particular. And next one, LF number. LF number means ledger folio number. And next one, debit amount and credit amount. Okay, see here, this is the journal format. Journal of Mr. For example, so and so person from to ఎప్పటి నుంచి where to where. Okay, this is the format of journal. Total how many number of columns in a journal? 5 columns. First column is date column, second column is particulars column, third column is ledger folio number, LF number, and fourth column is debit amount. The fifth one is credit amount. This is the format of journal. See here, first column date, and next one particulars, and the next one LF. Here LF means ledger folio number, DR means debit amount, CR means credit amount. This is the format of journal. So what we are recording into a journal? Business transactions. In which order? Chronological order. It means date wise. That's why the first column in a journal. What column we are mentioned in a format of journal? Date column. So first we will record the dates in a date column of journal. See here, we record the first year 2000 for example. Okay, month February for example. Okay, February 1st, and we are record the chronological order. When the business transactions are occur, at that time we are mention the date wise. Okay, this is the format of journal. It is the first step in accounting. Okay, first of all, once again I will repeat what journal. Okay, what is the meaning of journal? Journal is means it's a daily record. It is a book in which record the business transactions in chronological order, and we are called, the journal is called as a book of original or primary book. It means the business transactions first time recorded into a journal before recorded into the other books of accounts. And we have to see here the journal. In the process of recording the business transactions into a journal, the process name we are called journalizing. The format of a journal, see here, total 5 columns. What are that? First one, date column, particulars column, ledger folio number, debit amount, and credit amount. In this date column, we are mentioned the date, year, month, and date. When the transactions are occurred in a business, at that time we are record. It means made the entries in a journal. Okay, when what we are entered into a journal, that entered is called journal entry. Okay, see here, date column is over. The chronological order means date wise business transactions when they are occurred, at the date will be mentioned in a date column. And next to particulars column, see here, yesterday we are find out the which account is debit, which account is credit. For example, see here, goods goods purchased for cash rupees 500. We know yesterday we learned what? Goods. So purchase is expense. See here, expense. Okay, and expenses are applied for the which principle? Nominal account principle. See here, nominal account, nominal account. Okay, and as per nominal account, expenses are debit. Which account will be debit? Purchase account is debit. Okay. And cash. Cash is asset. Okay. Asset. Asset supplied the which principle? Real account principle. Real account principle. So when we are purchased at that time, we are pay the cash. So cash is going outside. As per the real account, what goes out credit? See here, what what goes out credit. We are crediting the which account? Cash account. See here, in a business transaction, which account is debited, which account is credited, clearly recorded into where? Journal. In the particulars column, explain the which account is recorded into the debit side and which account we will be recording into a credit side. Explained by the journal particulars column. See here, as per this question, see goods purchased for cash. Purchase is expense, expenses apply the nominal account principle. As well, nominal account principle, expenses are debited. So which account is debiting? Purchase account is debited. See here how to record a business transactions into a journal. See here, first of all, purchase account to debtor. I explained. DR means debtor. DR means debit. Okay. So purchase account is debited. Okay. The particulars column explains what the purchase account debit side we will record. Okay. Purchase account. So in the which side? In a purchase account, which side we will record this transaction? Purchase amount we are record the debit side in a purchase account. It is explained by the particulars column. See how much of amount? 500 DR. Okay. And credit will be recorded into a journal. What? Give a some space from the debit transaction to which account is credited? Cash. So that's why to cash account. To cash account. Give a some space for denoting the credit is denoted with the 2. Okay, indirectly. Yeah. What? See here, 2. Okay, purchase account to debtor. So purchase account to debit side we will record this 500. Okay, and 2 indicates the credit side in cash account. So amount mentioned in a credit side. Okay, see here the particulars explained in a journal. What? The which account is debit side we will record and which account will be record into a credit side. See, purchase account to debit side we record the 500. At the same time, credit side in a cash account will record a 500 rupees. I already explained what one transaction has a two accounts affected the opposite manner. It is the one transaction. Goods purchased for cash rupees 500. Two accounts are affected. What are the two accounts? Purchase account and cash account. In a opposite manner means the purchase account is debit side we will record. The cash account we will record into a credit side. It is recorded into where? Journal. Okay. What the journal's particulars column explained, the which account will be debited, which account will be credited, explained in a particulars column in journal. See, purchase account to debtor, debit side 500. It explained the we will record a debit side in purchase account, debit side how much? 500, and credit side in a cash account 500 rupees. And the particulars explain the briefly description for the transaction. See here, what is the reason this account is debited and this account is credited? We give a description. That's we are called the particulars column. We will write a one single line description for the transaction. That's we are called narration. We within the brackets we will explain the details, explain the description of business transaction. which account is debited, which account is credited, what is that reason we are within the brackets mentioned in a particular column, that's we are called narration. One account is debit side, one account is credit showing, and the narration also we are explained by the particulars column. And this narration, this description, the begins with the two words as a prefix that by the being or for anyone we can choose. What? Being, 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 or we are using the for. Okay, being or for, these prefixes we are used for the explaining the description. We will write a narration within the this column, within this bracket, what we are called narration. What is give the information of the narration? It gives the explanation about this journal entry, the business transaction. Okay, see here I will write the journal entry. This is a journal entry. What we are called? This is the journal entry. Purchase account data to cash account. It's called journal entry. What we are called the process of recording into a journal. Journalizing. Okay, it is journal entry. Within the brackets, what we are mentioned? Narration. And narration begins with the what? We have a two prefixes. What are that? Being or for. Whatever it we can choose to choose the being or for. Now I am choose the here being the goods, being the goods purchased for cash. This is the explanation. See here. This is the explanation. This is the narration. Okay. See here. Being the goods purchased for cash. That's why purchase account is debited, cash account is credited. Clearly observed. What goods purchased for cash. But what we are added? Being the. Other words, we can chance to choose for whatever it may be. Two prefix names begins with the narration. What are that? Being or called for. Whatever. It is a anyone we can choose the prefixes being or for. Okay. This is the particulars column in a journal. What explain the particulars column in a journal? See here. Explain the which account is debited and which account is credited. What is the reason for this debit and crediting of accounts explained in a narration. Okay. Next to LF number. LF number means we are accounts are maintained in a separate book. Purchase account, cash account separately maintained in a another book. So in that book, which page shows the purchase account, in which page number shows the cash account, that will be we are showing into the ledger folio number. If we are maintaining accounts book in separate, that book is called ledger book. Okay, in that ledger book the purchase account shows into a which number page. Okay, for example 10th page we are show the prepare the purchase account. So purchase account where the showing into the ledger book page number we are mentioned. The cash account show the first page. So page number mentioned the here. Okay, the LF number ledger folio number explained of what in the ledger book the related account showing into the which page number in the ledger accounts book. Okay, that will be mentioned in the this ledger folio number. Okay, and debit means the amount. So how much of amount we are debiting into this accounts, that will be debit side. We are showing this amount in the purchase account, and the credit is also same. How much of amount we are credited to this account will be shown the debit side amount and credit side amount. Okay, this is the journal. Okay, I hope all of you understand what is the meaning of journal. Journal is a record. It is a book in which what we are the business transactions are recorded into chronological order. Chronological order means date wise. Date wise we are recording. Okay, and what we are called the other names of this journal, book of original are called primary book. What is the meaning of this book of original or primary book? The first time business transactions are recorded into in this book. okay, before recorded into the other books of accounts, okay. And the process of recording the business transactions into the journal, what we are called journalizing. And what is the format of the journal? In a journal have the 5 columns. What are that? The date column, particulars column, ledger folio column, and debit amount and credit amount, okay. And we will mention the head of this journal, okay. Journal entries of Mr. XYZ, from where to where, which month to which month, we are showing into the head of the journal, okay. The title of the journal we are mentioned the here, okay. This is the explanation about the journal. And see here, purchase account we are prepared somewhere in a ledger book, okay. Cash account also prepared separately. And next, if for example, another example will show, rent paid rupees 100, okay. Rent expense, okay. Expenses as followed: nominal account, as per nominal account expenses debit, so rent account is debit. And we are paid a rent in which manner? Cash. So paid means cash. Cash is asset. Assets follows the real account. As per the real account, what goes out? Credit. So how to record? The date is, it is the second, it is the first. The date February 1st and 2nd. See here, rent account data, DR, okay. And give us some space for this one. 2, cash account, cash account. Why should debiting rent account? Rent is expense. As per the nominal account, expenses are debited. And why should crediting the cash account? Cash is going outside. Cash is the asset. As per real account, what goes out, we are crediting. See here, debit side 100 rupees amount, credit side 100 rupees. What it indicates? Rent account, we record the debit side 100 rupees. Cash account, credit side, we record the 100 rupees. And next to, we'll write the explanation. We can have the write the narration. Two prefixes. What are that? Being or for. We can choose from anyone. Okay, being the rent paid. Being the rent paid. Okay. If we have clear understanding of how to identify the accounts and which account is debiting, which account is crediting, automatically we'll prepare the journal. If we know how to write the journal entries in a journal, automatically we will prepare a ledger, okay. If you know the how to prepare the ledger, automatically prepares the trial balance sheet. If we know the preparation of the trial balance sheet, we can prepare the financial statements. What are the financial statements? Trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet, okay. The total accounting cycle already I explained. What begins with a journal, ends with a preparation of the final accounts, okay. So the first step in a accounting, that is a journal, okay. All of you note down this one. I am screen share and I will send in a WhatsApp group, okay. If you have any doubts, let me ask in a WhatsApp group or call to me directly. We will discuss the latter, okay.